with the help of Singapore government, we have set up a Northeast Skilling Institute in Guwahati. In fact, that institute was inaugurated by present Singapore President Dr. Thurman while he visited Guwahati. So a good infrastructure is already in place, and I think once industry comes, then customized requirement can be addressed.
Hi sir, so I'm from the Indian Express. Congrats again on the policy. I think it seems very promising what you're giving on top of the census things. So one question, when you're talking to these people who are coming from abroad or people who are looking to set up industry in Assam, what is your pitch to them at this point in time? Why should they be looking at Assam versus states like Karnataka or Tamil Nadu where there already is something?
Yes.
And second, if you could also speak to, from your conversation with the center, vis-a-vis Assam's strategic, maybe is there a strategic advantage to having industries in Assam? Given its location, geography, etc., is that also something that makes Assam attractive?
You see, first of all, if you compare, today I can give you one example. Tata has announced two industries together. One is in Gujarat, Fab, and one is in Osat in Guwahati. So today, if you visit both the plant, you will see that progress in Assam is much more than what there is in Gujarat. Primarily, we do not have a problem of plenty. And when you don't have a problem of plenty, you can talk, you can customize, you can address the requirement. So I think this is the best time to come to set up industry in Assam. After 5 years, we will also have a problem of plenty. So today, we have just developed. So government is very, very active, and we can offer whatever they want, and we can actually facilitate the entire journey with lot of hand holding. So, and that is happening. We have certain geographical advantage, and we have geographical disadvantage also. So if you look at Southeast Asia, we have geographical advantage, but if you look at the mainland, then we do have geographical disadvantages. So I think some of the geographic disadvantage has been neutralized by the Government of India's policy. As I told you, scheme like Unnati, they try to negotiate that geographical disadvantages, and that's our continuous effort. While in logistic and other area, wherever geographical disadvantages are there, we negotiate that and we try to neutralize that. And so far as geographical advantage, you know that this is a complete virgin place. It is whoever will come, they will be treated as fast comer. Then absolutely Assam is connected to Southeast Asia very prominently. And as Government of India's outreach to Southeast Asia today, for there are big political issues, but once all these things will be in line, like peace in Myanmar and all, so you will have your exits to Southeast Asia, including Bangkok and all, through Assam. So there are geographical advantages, there are geographical disadvantages like any other country. So if I say that I have to send a ship, I have to send it from Guwahati to Tamil Nadu, it's look disadvantage. But equally a factory in Tamil Nadu, he wants to send material to Guwahati, that the same disadvantage exists. So it is all depend how you look at it. But Assam is Assam, whoever will come, you will get the fast mover advantage. That is the best thing as of now.
Ashish from Business Standard. You mentioned about the Ratan Tata Electronics manufacturing city that will be established in Jagi Road, and you mentioned that there will be social and
yes.
infra and green infra. If you could expand a little bit on that, as well as the challenges, like you mentioned that there are challenges in logistics. So will there be any airport, or what are how are you solving it?
The first of all, as I told you, that most of the one is disadvantages as a region, which probably, if I tell you that there are many activities going on at present, railway, highway, inland water. So I think whatever disadvantages we had, those are being neutralized to a large extent. Today we are not that far from the mainland of India. It has been neutralized a lot. But if you look at specifically to the Ratan Tata Electronic City, per se doesn't have any disadvantage because it is next to Guwahati. Right from railway, national highway, airport, with a striking distance of 40 minutes. So all these infrastructure are available. But we are doing something more. Like we committed Tata that we will provide you green power for the specifically for OSET. So that's the infrastructure we need to create, because we need to see that in the factory only green power goes. Then you can, after that factory, we realize that distance can be further shortened if we can develop a ring road around that. So Government of India has approved a new ring road for Guwahati with a cost of 8,000 crores. So whatever disadvantage specific to that Ratan Tata Electronic City, I think it is much better. We have sanctioned a medical college along with us Electronic City. We have given NAILET campus nearby that city. I think it is all advantages. If you go to that city, that there are all. I mean, it will be one of the best infrastructure.
Sir, hi, Shobit from Minty. Sorry, sir, I might have missed this. I don't know if you mentioned, but could you give us an idea in terms of the capital outlay that the state is doing towards incentives and infrastructure in semiconductor and electronics?
You see, we have a policy everywhere. Like in semiconductor, we offer 50% what Government of India offer as a top-up.
Right.
In electronics component, we offer 60% that what Government of India offers. So, and we have set up a PLI of to do all these things. We have earmarked 25,000 crores from our budget. So state budget. So as of now, as I told you, that fast mover advantage, because we have sufficient amount to disburse as of now, facilitate the setting up of infrastructure, because in our advantage Assam 2.0, we announced a 25,000 crore corpus for basically discharge our liabilities so far as policies are concerned. So as of now, as I told you in one of the answer, that fast mover has all the advantages.
Sir, is this 25,000 crore for like 5 years? Or
we have kept it for now, and we have not earmarked. Now means what? If everybody come this year, we'll sign everybody this year itself. So we are not waiting, because we'll tweak the disbursement schedule according to the industry needs, but we are ready to sign it in 1 month also. So we spend out of that 7,000-8,000 crores so far. So we have a good leverages still exist.
and so just one quick follow-up to that in terms of setting up the electronics components ecosystem, because having component suppliers and other facilities alongside EMS and semiconductor plants is important. So are you seeing interest in terms of vendors coming?
So today it was our first interaction.
Okay.
So because we adopted the policy last week, and Government of India has come out the policy before 30 days. So today it is basically a fast interaction. Then we have to travel to Mumbai, then Chennai, then Bangalore. So this is the beginning. So in Delhi we have begin today our formal interaction. Thank you.
Just one more question.
Yes.
Ashwin Kumar from CNBC TV18. Thank you for hosting us, Mr. Chief Minister. I just have a couple of questions. One, a clarification on the figure that you've given, 25,000 crore rupees. Is that for the electronics space as a whole?
Not for electronics space. As a whole, we have kept it for PLI and subsidies or top-up or for the overall industrial things. But, of course, basically, as of now in Assam, we are more aggressive on electronic space. Because other thing, like we are developing a biorefinery in Guwahati, we are working with Government of India for a fertilizer manufacturing unit of 12 lakh metric ton. We are talking to people for setting up of two thermal plant. But in all these things, capital subsidy will not come. Like on thermal plant, what they are looking for, power purchase agreement. So that's one thing. So we are going to set up a fertilizer plant. So there we have taken 40% equity. Government of India will have 60%, we will have 40%. Like biorefinery, Prime Minister is going to inaugurate it on 8th September. There we have 27% equity. So there are various models we are working on. So certain things we have taken equity. Some manufacturing we have promised power purchase. In some we have provided PLI. So it is basically it is not all. This 25,000 corpus is one of our intervention, but there are many interventions. Like Numaligarh refinery, we have acquired 27% stake. We spend around 4,000 crores there, and they are setting up big petrochemical complex. So all these are various ways to intervene, but this amount we have kept specifically for PLIs and top up of what Government of India is providing. And as of now, this is the area of focus, but we are ready for other area also, that we are not that we'll do only electronics and nothing else.
Just one more follow-up question, sir. In terms of disbursement, is there another separate vetting mechanism? Or
No. What we have said, once Government of India disburse, we will disburse within 7 days. So that's the way. Even in OSAT also, and other things which we have discussed or done so far, in state level we have not created a vetting mechanism, because we think that compliance with the Government of India will be more tougher. Once you pass that test, then you don't have to spend time with us. So I think we kept it 7 days. No? So we kept it 7 days.